Good morning, folks. It is Saturday morning. We got our coffee. Unfortunately, we forgot to bring coffee, so we had to go and wait for the store to open up so we can drink their coffee, but it'll do. Coffee's coffee. Now, we were awoken at about 6:30 this morning to the sound of the lions roaring. So we did hear it. Unfortunately, by the time I grabbed my camera, they had stopped. It only lasted a few seconds, and they did it a few times afterwards, and every time I tried to get the camera out, and by the time I got it, it was pretty much over. So I'm gonna try something else tonight, where I'm gonna have the GoPro connected with a microphone, and the GoPro has a feature that's called hindsight. So what that is basically the camera is kind of like in a low powered mode, and when you press the record button, it'll actually record the last 30 seconds. So I'm hoping to try to get it that way. I'll leave the hindsight on, and when I hear them, I can hit the record and it'll go back 30 seconds. So hopefully I'll capture it for you. It is a little low, it's a little hard to hear. It's not like they're right here next to us, but yeah, we'll try. We'll see what happens. This Nina having her morning coffee also. We got our tent set up. It's a nice spot. There's some shade, so that's nice, because it's going to be a warm one today. It's going to be, I believe, 87, 88 degrees. Give you a look around. Oh, this place has these cute little cabins. They're really nice. They sleep four. They have kind of two bunk beds, one on each side of the room. Really nice. It's something I might do with the kids. Come back with them and get a cabin. So, real nice place. Real cute. So yeah, we're going to drink our coffee and then we're going to go out and get some breakfast. So, we'll see you in a bit. So at this point, the neighbors that lent us that pump last night
like your bike
came over and said that the kids were excited. They wanted to meet us because they said they've never met a real YouTuber. So I said sure. They came over and I actually asked them if they wanted to sit on the motorcycle. And I thought the little boy with the bicycle that looked like a dirt bike would be more eager to go. But no, it was actually the young girl. And after she sat on, I saw how excited she got. I asked her if she wanted to take a quick ride. I asked her parents if it was okay. They said sure. So I took her for a quick ride around the camp. She seemed to love it. So I promised her I'd put her in the YouTube video. So here you go, hon. Hope you had fun. Alright, so we got some eggs, French toast, English muffin, biscuits, fries, all the good stuff.
I already ate half of mine, sorry.
I ate some eggs too. Everything looks great.
Ooh, hot, hot.
What?
Hot seat, hot seat.
Yeah. Well, that was a good meal, huh, babe?
Yeah, it was.
Food was good. The location was cute. The owner was nice, friendly. Also a biker. But he rides a Harley.
Ooh, no, I'm kidding.
Well, he insulted us. He said if it's not loud and it doesn't make a lot of noise, it's not a real motorcycle.
Boo!
I said, okay. I said, well, this not so real motorcycle has been halfway across the country and back.
You should have told him, has yours?
Yeah. It's getting up there, 86 degrees.
Oh, yeah. You know where I'm going?
To the pool. Should I put the directions?
No, we'll see the sign. You have your secondary GPS on board.
Mm-hmm. My co-pilot.
We didn't even bring towels for the pool.
Well, we have the camping towels.
Get down?
Yeah. Welcome back, guys. So after spending most of the day at the pool, just soaking up some sun, cooling off in the water, now it's time to shower up, clean up, and then get ready for some dinner. Now, the problem is, if you remember, stupid me forgot to bring the food, so we're gonna have to go out and get some dinner. And I'm feeling some burgers, so I think that's what we're gonna do. We'll have some burgers. So yeah, I'll catch up with you after the shower. Alright, all washed up and ready for dinner. Starting to get a little bit windy. There's actually supposed to be 70% chance of storms in the morning and throughout the day tomorrow. So hopefully we'll make it out in time. Hopefully we'll beat that rain.
Yep. Yeah, it's been flashing. Yep, now I feel it. Now I'm getting it too. Yep. You want to stop? I would. Okay, at the light there's the Publix on the right. Yeah. Well, we have food. Yeah.
So at this point I turned the cameras off, prepared to just sit there and eat our burgers at the gas station, ride out the storm. But then it occurred to me that the tent was open and I had a lot of electronics just charging right outside the tent. So I decided to take a risk and just try to make a run for it, make it back to the tent, hoping I wouldn't regret my decision. Okay, so we got a pretty good soaking. Yes? Alright, so as I was saying, I don't know how much you can see me, it's pretty dark in here. That's better. Yeah, we got caught nasty in that rain. Everything got soaked as far as our clothes, and this storm came out of nowhere, and we had the tent with the vents open on top, basically just so you don't get condensation buildup inside. So we did get a little bit of water coming in, not too bad. The worst part of it is when we actually came in, all our clothes, our helmet, everything was soaked. And when we came in, just the water dropping got pretty much all over the floor. So it's a little damp in here, but we're making the best of it. See people outside kind of surveying the damage because it got pretty nasty for a minute. So yeah, Nina's just outside moving some things around and hanging some stuff up to dry. And I'm here hiding out in the tent because I got soaking wet and I don't have a change of clothes. So I'm just under the blanket here. Well, it is what it is. We've been camping in the rain before, we'll go camping in the rain again. All part of the adventure, huh? Well, we may have gotten soaked, but we got our burgers. Right, babe?
Like a little soaked.
A little soaked. Part of the adventure, right?
You know my hair got soaked. What is it? Camp hair? Don't care?
Join the club. But hey, at least we got food. So we're gonna eat our burgers, our fries. I will check back with you in a bit.
No.
Not getting any better. I think it's time to watch a movie or something. Good old Netflix. Pass the time. So this is the aftermath of last night. A lot of people left last night. I see that.